Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Larry here again for the Leroy channel. And today we're going to do a very simple video for you. Garden quesadillas. Vegetarian friendly and very simple, very easy to make, and they're really good for you too. Okay, that in each serving we have about 213 calories, 30 grams of carbohydrates, about 7 grams of fat, roughly about 7 grams of protein, and about 2.5 grams of fiber. So you can whip these up in a few minutes, have them as a lunch, or maybe even just one off as a snack. So stay tuned and let's get going. Hey guys, before we get into the video, just wanted to say thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving me and all the new subscribers that I got. Also, hit that like button, hit that notification button so you know whenever we come out with a video, you'll be the first ones to know. We drop a video probably every Wednesday around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So just keep an eye out for that. And for those who are watching this, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button because we come out with some new food videos for you and hopefully get some ideas and some inspiration to cook a little healthier. Alrighty? Thanks for watching.